In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an agent in Zendesk support, focusing on best practices to ensure the transition doesn't disrupt tickets or reporting data. We'll walk through each step, offering some useful tips along the way. First things first, let's manage any tickets currently under the care of the agent you plan to remove. Head over to the Admin Center, then navigate to either People or Team and find Team Members. You'll need to locate the specific agent's profile that you're planning on removing. Within their profile, you'll see a section dedicated to tickets. If this tab is visible, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, use the ticket views to access their assigned tickets. The goal here is to reassign these tickets to another active agent or group. Doing this is crucial as it prevents tickets from sitting unassigned or getting stuck in the process, which could lead to missed responses or delays for your customers. Next up, let's consider the optional yet highly recommended step of downgrading the agent's role. After you're in their profile, you can change their user type or role from agent to end user, or even to light agent. This adjustment is beneficial, as it means the person will no longer count as a full agent seat, but will still preserve historical ticket data and reporting metrics. This also helps keep your analytical insights intact, as it retains the record of which agent handled which tickets without deleting the user outright. Once you've downgraded the role, assuming you've confirmed everything is in order, you have the option to suspend or delete the user account. When you're ready, you can go to their profile, find the user options, and click on Suspend Access. This will prevent the user from logging back into the system. If your company policy permits, you may proceed to delete the user by selecting Delete from the profile menu options. Do keep in mind, though, that deletion is final and takes away any chance of reinstating the user data. Last but not least, don't forget to review your license or agent seats. Now that the agent no longer counts toward a full agent license, consider updating your subscription to eliminate any unused seats from your billing. However, remember that this change might only reflect during your next billing cycle, so it's wise to plan accordingly. As for best practices, avoid deleting the user immediately. Downgrading first protects your data integrity, maintaining detailed records for future reporting. Another tip is to meticulously ensure that all tickets have been reassigned. Otherwise, you could face potential bottlenecks. It'll also be important to review any triggers and automations within the system in case these workflows were dependent on the now removed agent. Updating these rules will prevent issues in dynamic ticket assignments or dashboard visibility. Lastly, make certain to communicate changes with your team, clarifying how responsibilities and tickets are being covered moving forward. By handling the removal process with care, you'll ensure a smooth transition that minimizes disruption to your team and maintains your Zendesk support's operational efficacy.